Peekaboo! Hi everyone! Welcome back. We are in our kitchen today. We're going to try some homemade paint and also some experiments that you can do in your kitchen. I want to show you a few of the ingredients and also share with you that we're still learning how to use video, which means you may not be able to see everything in front of us, and it'll require some of your patience as we hold it up. So here's what we're using. We have food coloring.
And use red.
We have some scents here. We have peppermint and we have vanilla extract. We also have tin foil. Instead of using paper today, we're going to use tin foil for our canvas. So I folded it. This way there's no sharp edges for the children. We have water. What else do we have? We have toothpicks and paintbrushes.
Yeah.
We have bowls.
Yeah. And
We have, what are these?
Pepper.
They came along with us too. I have some yogurt.
Yogurt.
This way we can taste it. And I have some icing sugar. This isn't new. I think it's one that I have to get rid of. So I was thinking maybe we could try to mix this with water and some food coloring and figure out if we can make it into paint.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Is you each get a bowl.
Thank you.
Okay, you have a bowl and a spoon. Perfect. So you can have either yellow, red, or blue. And then the matching
I want
food coloring of the primary colors.
I want red.
Red. So Sebby's doing red.
No, this
Which
is
color do you
pink.
want? Do you want
This is
blue?
pink.
Oh, this one's red here.
Thank you.
Now the trick with working with food coloring is that you can't use too much or it goes completely all over your hands. So if you have food gloves, that's even better. So pour your yogurt inside your bowl. Pour your yogurt inside your bowl. Yours looks kind of purpley, but we're gonna make it blue. And I'm gonna have yellow. Also, the bowls that you're working with and the paintbrushes should be washed because you want children to be able to eat this.
What are we gonna
Same
eat
with the
this?
spoons. If you want to, while you're painting, you can. This can be a finger painting experience. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my yellow.
So I put
And you can
my
mix it.
yogurt already.
Yep, so start mixing it. And we're gonna enhance the color. We can show them the color first. Thank you, that's a lot of enhancing. So you have more. Okay.
Look, I like a pancake.
So you have red. You can put a little bit more. Are you excited? I'm gonna use yellow.
That's your favorite color. Let's see what mine turns.
All right, keep stirring. Stirring mine.
Mine is getting red.
Mine's yellow. I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow. Yours is good. We'll put our food coloring in here for now.
How about we put down that? When we're gonna put the water in that?
Okay, so let's show them our food coloring with our yogurt. We'll get rid of our yogurt here. Our little lids.
Mine is red, and I made it all by myself.
And mine is yellow, and I made it all by myself. How about yours?
Mine is pepper by myself.
Yes, you made it all by yourself. I'm very, very proud of you. So now, should we test it out on the aluminum foil and see if it works?
Yeah.
Do you want to use toothpicks as paintbrushes or paintbrushes?
Paintbrush.
Okay, so let's take out some more aluminum foil for your sister and some for me.
Do I have one for me?
So a piece for me and a piece for Lily. Again, we are folding this so that the sharp parts are not going to scratch the children. And you can make your canvas as big or as little as you like. So Sebby, if you want a bigger one,
I don't want a bigger one.
You can take the one that I'm making right now. Another
I don't want
canvas. This one can be for Lily. We can put this in front of her. Maybe Peppa Pig will take a little bit of a painting too. And I'm gonna use this one. So let me fold this one up. So all you have to do now is you put a little bit of your food coloring with your spoon onto your tin foil, and then you can paint with whatever tool you want. You don't have to use just purple.
I don't have a water in that.
We're gonna do that one after. Okay, so you have purple. Do you wanna have a little bit of yellow too on yours?
No.
Just purple? Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow on mine. I'm gonna put a little bit of pink on mine. And I'm gonna take a little bit of purple from yours.
No.
Just a little bit? Give me one scoop because you're nice to me. Just give Mama one little scoop. A little more for me. Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna get
Okay,
some
are you going to paint
yellow.
with toothpicks? Like that? Do you like painting on the tin foil? Has an interesting sound, and it's definitely way more shiny. So you see, your kitchen is actually a studio. There's so much you can do here. Lots of creativity beyond the recipes for cooking and baking.
Look at mine.
Are you having fun? Do you like mixing?
I'm gonna mix it with some of the yellow in mine.
You know you can taste it, right?
Let's see what yours is. Now mine has to dry.
I think yours tastes like blueberries.
Ooh,
Hers.
I want to taste too.
Now we don't need normal paint, right? This is the paint we made ourselves. It's like your scientists in the kitchen.
No thanks. And put some water. Can I put some water?
Water we're gonna use with the icing sugar, so we'll try that next. And we're gonna work on the second type of paint, which we've never made before, using some icing sugar
So now I'm gonna put some in.
and some water. So we put our icing sugar into this container just to contain it, I guess. We don't want it to go everywhere.
I just need a little bit more.
And over here we have a little food tester. Okay, so let's move your painting. Need a lot. You need a spoon. Here's your spoon. Say, please, may I have a spoon? Okay, start your stirring. Do you want a little bit of water? So it looks like yours needs a bit more of this icing sugar.
I want some more icing sugar, Mommy.
Here, I think we put too much water, so it doesn't need a lot of water at all, actually. So here's all the icing sugar in my bowl. I'm only gonna put a touch of water. So the reason why we chose this instead of another ingredient is I thought sugar is sticky.
A little bit. like slime.
It's kind of slimy, so maybe it'll stick to the paper and the color.
Mama, can I put some?
Yep, and then we'll add more of the icing sugar if we need. So let's get that icing sugar prepared because it looks to me like we're gonna need more. Let's add some more.
I can't do it.
So
Mine
you have it
doesn't
ready.
come out. Mine doesn't come out.
I can help you.
Thank you.
I want to put a little bit more on mine,
Allow me.
a little bit more on yours. There you go. And which color should I make? I made yellow last time. Should I make green?
No, I'm using green.
Oh, you're using green? Do you want to put it in here for mine?
When I finish, I did to you.
When you finish, you'll give it to me.
Mama, can you put some for me?
So you're doing green?
Can you put some
Sure.
for me? Thank you.
I can help you. Yes, you help me make
I
mine
don't
green.
I don't like.
Green? Yeah, we can do light blue for yours. So the light blue should work by itself.
Can you open it? Mama, you do good.
1, 2, 3.
Hey.
So here's my green. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more icing sugar
How about me?
just to make it thicker. You
How
too.
about me?
You definitely need lots. Ooh, it's okay. Mix it up.
Awesome. Ooh, Adios. I want some more, please. Toothpicks.
See if I can add to my art. Yeah, I can add to my art.
Let's see how it
So it almost feels like a similar texture.
Let's see how it
Paper
feels
towel
like.
and tin foil. Lily's gonna use paper towel.
Oh my gosh, my sister's turning brown.
Okay.
I
Mix it.
want some green too.
And I'm going to put a little bit with the toothpick can actually go and make
I
dots.
want a toothpick. I want to add a little bit more.
I think I want to try this.
A little bit of that. It's sewing.
So let's show them how our paint turned out. This one is the icing sugar with the water and the food coloring. So it's just showing a technique with the toothpicks. See? Want to try that? And it also works on the tin foil too. So you can see the consistency is pretty similar to the yogurt.
Inside the slime.
Almost as like a slime paint.
But it is. It's
What is it?
sticky. Can I have some of that?
Like the feeling of it?
Now let's see what mine turns out. Mary had the